The hexagonal shape of honeycomb cells serves multiple crucial purposes for honeybees. Firstly, this geometric pattern maximizes the storage space within the hive while minimizing the amount of wax and energy required to construct each cell. The hexagonal shape allows for tight packing, which is essential for efficiently storing honey, pollen, and developing brood. Additionally, these cells provide structural stability to the honeycomb, ensuring it can support the weight of the stored materials in the bees within the hive. Thanks for watching this video.